If striving had a shape, it would be the profile of your backs. This is you at the assembly line, each bolt turned with steadfast care, bringing gensets roaring to life. This is you in quality control, eyes fixed on every gauge, guaranteeing perfection in every detail. This is you monitoring data under full load. Every test affirms our promise of reliability. This is you refining plans and designs. A thousand trials converging into one bespoke solution. This is you typing deep into the night. Our promise carried with every keystroke. This is you sending gensets forth into the world. Your silhouettes carve greatness from the everyday. 10 million shadows, 10 million souls, all pressing onward.